Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Roblox voice chat not working or mic not working issue on PC or on your Android phone. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power, then select restart. This will restart your system. And if you are facing the problem, you should restart your Android phone once. Next method is to test your microphone. So you are suggested to plug in or pair your headset or microphone and also record your voice in another app and then check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, next method is to allow microphone permissions. So for that, you have to go to Windows search for settings. Now click on privacy and security. Here click on, now go below, click on microphone, and here you have to check whether microphone access is enabled or not. If it is not enabled, you have to enable it and then check if the mic not working issue is resolved or not. If not, next, Windows settings. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now after that, click on system. Now click on sound, then click on speakers, and here you have to check output settings. Check the volume check the volume bar is increased or not. If it is not, you have to increase it and then check. And the same thing you have to also check for the input settings as well. So after plugging your headphone, and make sure the volume bar is increased, and after that check whether the sound problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to enable voice chat in Roblox. So for that, go open Roblox. Now after you open Roblox, here you will get the voice chat function to enable. In the notification bar, you can able to see that you have to check your age to make the chat safer. So for that, you have to verify your age using your face, and after that you can check if the voice chat or mic not working issue is resolved or not. If not, next method is to update Roblox. So you should check if there is any update available for your Roblox app. If yes, you have to update your Roblox to the latest version and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Roblox. So for that, go to the Windows search for control panel. Now open it, and after that click on uninstall a program, and here you will get Roblox app. So you simply need to right click on it and click on uninstall. So this will remove or uninstall the Roblox app from your system. After that, reinstall Roblox once again, log into the game and check if voice or mic is working now without any further problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.